Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2013 on a 13 reg, wheelchair adapted Citroen Berlingo with an automotive group conversion. Done just 14,000 miles from new. A full main dealer service history. The cars come direct from Motability. And as you'll see from this short video, as is with all of our vehicles, it's in grade A condition. The car's been valeted to a very, very high standard. Lovely charcoal contrasting blue interior, synonymous with Citroen. It's a 5-speed manual gearbox. Comes with an array of extras that you'd expect from a modern day car: electric windows, air conditioning. I'll show them in a second. So it's a 5-seat vehicle, or up to 3 plus wheelchair. So it has the original 5 seats when the wheelchair space is not required, and very easily what we call tip and folding rear seats. So they tip down, and then just by lifting out the way, it's as simple as that. Lovely metallic paintwork on this one. It's got a bi-folding ramp, so the ramp stays in an upright position at all times. And we do have some Peugeot partners with fold flat ramps which fold flat to the floor when not in use, but very easily deployed. So just a lever here, that springs it out. Should really use 2 hands, but obviously I can't do that and hold the camera at the same time. Easily lowered to the floor. Nice low angle on there, so not too much energy needed to push the wheelchair user in. It's also a 300 kg ramp, so you take a maximum of 300 kgs. I think equates to around about nearly 30 stone, so quite a good weight to be able to take on there. It's got a 33-inch wide floor, which is wider than most floors, and slightly longer than the fold flat allied converted Peugeot partners. So if you've got a scooter or wheelchair that's slightly wider or longer, this would make an ideal car for you. If you're unsure, you can just email or pick up the phone 01634 716 911. Give us the dimensions of the wheelchair user or the scooter, and then we'll be able to tell you whether this or any of our vehicles are suitable for you. If you're looking to part exchange, we can part exchange any vehicle. It doesn't have to be wheelchair access, but we'll always try to get the best deal for you on a part exchange value. If it's a non-conventional vehicle, we're not retailing your car, so we'll always get the best price for you. So very little wear, 14,000 as you would expect. Just climbing into the car now. So we've got air conditioning button there, fan switch, and the temperature and the direction that you want it on. Got the radio there, electric windows which are here along with the hazards, and this is a lock. You can lock the doors from the inside and unlock them as you require. Cigarette lighter is also a voltage for your sat nav if required. Light switches and fog light switches all on that stalk, and then coming round to here under there is radio controls if you want to do them automatically, along with the wipers there. So all designed to be easily accessible. There is height adjustment for the seat, that is on there, and backwards and forwards is on this bar here. Also got armrests at the front, which is an optional extra, believe it or not, so they just fold out the way if not required, so you have that option. have a look at this vehicle or any of our other vehicles on our website. Carry around about 25 WAVs in stock. So the website address is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. If you're a taxi driver and you're looking for a new vehicle, we can liaise with your council to make life easier for you. If you want to visit the page on the website, that's www.premiertaxisales.com. If you want to pop along and see us in person, we're at Cooling Road Service Station in Wainscott in Kent, and the postcode is ME2 4RL. Thanks.